They're coming through. Fishing time. Oh, there goes another one. That's a big mama jamma. Got a little boat behind her. It's a beautiful day. The beach is right over there. We got a little tiny one over there. He's over there fishing. This is a separate master from the old tire house. The party boats are in. The party boats are in. Oh God, there go another mama jamma there too. He got his music on. Oh, they coming out. He got his music popping. This is our Chaz, trying to live my best life in Ixtapa Zihuatanejo. Don't forget to pick, like, and share. Have a good Saturday. Bye.